Here we go. This is our normal rainy season weather. For those of you who have never seen it before, it's a lot of rain. It just came out of nowhere. It started downpouring. And looking at it here on the screen of my iPod, it doesn't do it justice. This is a huge storm though. It's pretty crazy. A lot of wind, a lot of rain. It's actually pretty cool though, because it was about 95 degrees earlier today. It cools it down really nicely. Makes it smell like springtime. It's a good time to take a nap. Can't work outside, might as well rest up. Some of the neighbor kids came over to swim. They've been here for about a half an hour, and then all this broke loose. So I think they're probably waiting in one of the storage houses there in the pool area. But you could just about swim outside in this stuff.